at the end. At the end, we are starting first question. Something strange. First question. Starting at the end? Yes. Why is it so? Because till you don't have the conceptual clarity, for us it is not at all advisable to solve theoretical questions. And so we solved all the questions, exercise, illustrations, having that depth properly, and now we are solving MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, let's continue with the textbook exercise. Having 10 questions, do it very clearly. Yeah, I am helping for that also, because sometimes some twists are there, and even they are asking same word to word question from textbook many a times. You can check that from textbook question, that is MCQ number 3, they asked in 2016 board exam, yeah, Gujarat board exam. MCQ number 10, good one, in 2018. MCQ number 6 in 2019. So if you do all this MCQ properly, and if you are having proper concept, no one can snatch your 1 mark of MCQ from this chapter. Okay? And if you are having conceptual depth, whether they are going to ask an MCQ or VSQ or whatever they want to ask, we are always ready with it. So let's continue. I am going to write the alphabetical answer also over here. Going to read the MCQ properly. You must read with me and we'll get the answer. We'll discuss also a little bit whenever it is needed. The first MCQ is, what is the interest on partner's capital for a partner? See here, what is the interest on capital? 4. Now after 4, which words are given? For the firm or for the partner? I told you, you must assume. If for the firm, we are firm. If for the partner, we are partner. Okay? Here what they said, for the partner. Interest on capital for the partner. The options given to you is expense, liability, income, and loss. What do you think? Yes, it is an income for the partner. It is an income for the partner. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Now just think, if you have this debt, assume that you are in board. Matlab, board exams are going on. You are having the question paper. You did the first MCQ. Within fraction of second, with confidence, when you are having the correct answer, no need to say 1000%. Yes, 1000%. You are having a good smile on your face. जे normally कोई emoji में possible ना बने, because emoji smiles do not have that confidence which you are having in your heart for yourself, for the bank of mark sheet. Yes, exactly, to get desired result. Okay, let's continue with the second. The MCQ is somewhat like that. Under which method the interest on capital keeps on changing? If you read this much, under which method the interest on capital keeps on changing? During the year, due to change in capital, you know only two methods are there. Fixed capital method, fluctuating. Now the word fluctuating itself suggests changes. So the answer is very clear, fluctuating capital method. હવે માત્ર એટલું જોવાનું, you have to think only that, you have to check that in which alphabet, in which option it is given. Here the options are A. Fluctuating capital account, B. Fixed capital account, C. Current capital account, and D. None of them. See, you may get confused between fluctuating capital and current capital, but no, only fluctuating capital is correct answer. You may feel, sir, fixed capital and current capital both are almost same, na? Yes, agree. But it is not the answer. Then why to look at that? So here the answer is first, that is A. Okay? Next, third one. In which account? Asked in Boda, no need, once they asked, they are not going to repeat it. Maybe possible, they repeat the same question. In which account and on which side? Which account, which side? Partner's share of profit is recorded under fluctuating capital account method. Fluctuating capital account method. So first of all, you have to check that which accounts to be prepared for partner. Only one capital account. So that is fixed. It must be in capital account. Now on which side? The answers are, the options rather, debit side of capital account, credit side of capital account, debit side of current account, and credit side of current account. If you have the concept, then you should know that when fluctuating capital method is there, current account will not be there. Automatically two answers removed. Yes, 50-50. So they removed C and D. Your concept removed it. A and B are there. C, capital credit. And if you remember, interest is a child of capital or drawings or current account or loan, whatsoever. Obedient child. Obedient child means J side, parent's child, इन्हीं साथे जाए. So capital on credit side, interest must be on credit side. So here the answer is B, credit to capital account. Next, at the end of the year, where will you transfer drawings account in fixed capital account method? Good question. Because normally what we will do, drawings must be debited to capital. Normally. But in fixed capital account method, we are preparing two formats. One is capital, another is current. So they are asking, in fixed capital account method, where you will transfer drawings. In capital, only capital is to be recorded. Okay? So naturally, current account. And again you can remember D. Yes, that is drawings, debit. The options are to capital account, to current account, to profit and loss account, and to profit and loss appropriation account. Even they make it easy also. Side is not given, only the format name should be on the current account. So again the answer is B. Is there any problem? If you have the concept, obviously you are not supposed to have any problem for that. Next one. How would you consider the interest on debit balance of partner's current account for the firm? Again, listen carefully. How would you consider the interest on debit balance of current account? For firm. Debit balance of current account. Current account debit balance. Interest also on the same side. That is debit of current account. But for partner, for the firm, firm's account is profit and loss appropriation account. So it should be on credit side. And for interest, you can bindas remember like this, that if it is on debit side, it's always an expense. If it's on credit side, it's always an income. Okay? Clear? Why? Why it is like that? Yes, there you are. Interest is a nominal account, and the rules of nominal account says debit all expense and loss, credit all income and gain. Okay, let's continue. So how would you consider the interest on debit balance of partner's current account for firm? The options are an expense, liability, income and loss. What do you think? P&L appropriation, profit and loss appropriation, credit side. Whenever credit side is there, it's always an income. So option C is there for income. Next, sixth, they asked this in 2019. Very easy. What is the interest on drawings of partners for a partner? Interest on drawings. Now in capital, partner means in capital account we are writing or in current account. On which side? On debit side. Yes, that's why I am saying concepts are very important. On debit side. And whenever debit side is there, just before a minute I said nominal account, interest is there, debit side, always an expense. The options are A, an expense, B, a liability, C, an income, and D, a loss. Again, for partner, interest on drawings is an expense. So the answer is A. Is it clear? Next one. Debit balance of profit and loss appropriation account means a very good one, a tricky one. Debit balance means, if you remember, I told you twice, thrice during this solutions of practical questions. Whichever side's total is bigger, that is the balance of that side. Now whenever they are saying debit balance of P&L appropriation account, means debit side total is bigger and debit side all the expenses are there. So if debit side total is big, obviously if it's larger one, you are making loss because expenses are more. Okay, so it is your loss first. Now, because it is of profit and loss appropriation, it is known as divisible loss. A good one. Because debit balance means if you feel that what we are writing on debit side, then you may feel like divisible profit. Listen carefully. See, it's a matter of 1 mark. Not only 1 mark. First mark normally. If you are attempting MCQs first, it will be the first MCQ. Okay? Because it is given in the textbook, they may ask you in the same way. So again, let me read. Debit balance of profit and loss appropriation account. Debit balance is a loss. Again, nominal account. Debit all expense and loss. The options are gross profit, gross possible as nothing, gross loss, again gross to possible as nothing. So automatically these two options eliminated. Divisible profit and divisible loss. Our answer is divisible loss. That is obviously D. Okay. 8. What percentage of interest will be paid when no provision is made pertaining to interest on capital in partnership deed? When no provision is there for interest on capital. Yes, remember, no interest is to be paid. When no provision is there in partnership deed, યાદ શું રાખવાનું છે? only two main matters. One, profit and loss equally. Second, 6% interest on partners loan. Okay, here they asked partners capital, interest on partners capital. The options are, see, I told you previously also, તમારા દિમાગમાં normally at this time, if you get confused, the answer is 6%. If you feel it's of loan, and if the answer is 6%, normally they give you as first option. Yes, over here also. A 6%, B 9%, C 12%, and D no interest. Interest on capital or interest on drawings. When no provision is there, always no interest. Here it is D, but in whichever the option they write no interest, you have to take that. Clear? You have to write that option. Ninth one. What percentage of interest, the similar type of, what percentage of interest will be paid on loan given by partner to the firm when no provision is made in partnership deed. See, previous question is same one but interest on capital. This question is interest on loan of partner. Okay, when loan of partner is there, when no provision is made, we have to give 6% interest. The options are A 6%, B 9%, C 12%, and D no interest. Here the answer is A, because 6% interest we have to pay. Okay, and the last one they asked in 2018, again a good one. The capital proportion of A, B and C is 3:2:1. Now in our mind, what we used to be 3:2:1. Barabar? But actually what is it? Capital proportion, not P&L ratio, not profit sharing ratio. Capital proportion of ABC is 3:2:1. The divisible profit is 66,000. What will be the amount of profit of C? Here, if you consider, see the options are, if you consider 3:2:1, then for C it is 1/6. 66,000 into 1/6, you will get 11,000. And as I say, this kind of twisted questions, always a khoto answer avano chance hoy, the area where you can commit a mistake, they always give it as first option. Yeah, here first option is 11,000. Actually it is wrong. But if you do a wrong calculation, if you consider capital ratio, then your answer will be 11,000. And here A is 11,000. So you put A and switch to second question. You are not supposed to, you are not going to read even the remaining options. That is the problem. So do take care. Here they give you 3:2:1, but capital ratio. And whenever profit sharing ratio is not given, it is always equal. 1:1:1. So divisible profit 66,000. 3 partners are there. Should be divided by 3. And your answer is 22,000. Here the options are A 11,000, where we can commit a mistake, B 22,000, C 33,000, D 66,000. Obviously the answer is 22,000, B. Okay, let me write it again. Take care. Is there any problem? Last, because I am explaining in detail, I am writing the alphabets only. But in exams, you are going to write the alphabet first in a proper way, supported with the actual answer. For example, over here, no interest, then you have to write no interest. Over here, 6%. Clear? That should be the way how you are going to appear in the exams. Okay? So these were the MCQs. So many MCQs we can frame on the basis of concept. It all depends on you. If your concepts are very clear, whatever the corner, from whichever the corner we took a topic, obviously you are always ready. Only one thing, concept, concept, concept. Okay? So just go through it. Obviously you will not have any doubt. Even you also can frame so many MCQs on this basis. Here they say interest on partner's capital. You can frame interest on partner's drawings. Okay? Over here they give you 66,000 and 3 to 1 as capital ratio. You can say it is profit sharing ratio. Then 3:2:1. The answer is 11,000. Clear? You can also change the things. You can also frame. For that, you have to spare time. You have to apply your mind. If you are ready for that, the world will be yours one day. Mark my words. Remember it properly. Now concentrate in this. Learn this properly. Get the concept and get your marks deposited in your bank of mark sheet.